everyone, and welcome back. Oh, hello to Drivenmad. Right, a while ago we did, it's boring this, isn't it? But we did a review of the Tornador. I think I say turd. The Tornador thing. Because I'm almost embarrassed to do this because this is my wife's car and we have Xavi.
Give you that, because you're one floating it around like the
We have Xavi, look, he's not there.
No.
I've stroked him.
We haven't got him today.
Yeah, we have Xavi, and somehow, and I don't really know because this is very not like me, somehow, look at the state of that.
Yeah, it's class.
So, we have got 3 things to test, and we've been told by most of it. Now, first off,
Honourable mention.
I need to thank Alex because he gave me a tip-off on that video that we did, and he has relieved me of well, he didn't relieve me, but he advised me to buy this, which is a fur eel. There we are. A fur eel detailer's kit, and it comes from Denmark, and it apparently removes dog hair, cat hair,
it's a miracle
whatever sort
worker.
of hair. It's a miracle worker, and I got relieved of €95 for a bag that doesn't fit any of it. I don't know quite what it is, and these things here, which look like, as you can see, I have had to go on the car mat, but not on first. I don't think I've already done this because I haven't. And then we have Amazon Special, a sort of, we were also recommended to get that, a sort of brushy thing.
It supposedly picks up the fibres of the hair.
And I think Amazon, that was €6. And then we have this thing, Timu's finest.
Timu, the Cobra.
My favourite place, Timu Cobra. And as you can see, there is quite a nice pussy on the front there.
Only you.
And this is
a rubber.
A rubber, yeah, it's a rubber for your pussy. Anyway, sorry about that. Let's move on fairly quickly. So we're going to...
You can see taped off lines.
We're going to tape off, they're going to go that way, and the furry... So we're talking €4 versus €7 versus €95. So let's crack on and get our car clean.
Right, so you can see the taped off lines. We're going to go left to right. Shall we begin?
Price order.
Shall we begin with the Fur Cobra from Temu?
And who's doing this? Oh, you can go first.
I'll do the ones that require
middle.
effort, shall I? Guessing. Must be this end.
Why?
The ribbed edge. What
Why?
do you say? I don't know.
Well,
Would
we'll
you?
have a go at both.
Let's try the non-ribbed edge. Ooh.
No.
Ooh.
Looks like it stinks as well, but it
Doesn't.
Luckily doesn't.
Xavi smells like roses and
Yeah,
flowers.
he's lovely, isn't he? That's not bad.
I tell you what.
I tell you what.
I'm pleasantly surprised at that.
Vacuuming that up. Right, I'll get
All
rid of
right.
that bit. We're happy with that?
Yeah.
Right, I'm on.
Oh yeah.
I can't do this left-handed, but let's see. Right, are we ready?
Yep.
Ooh, camera in. Ooh,
That's going to rip the chair apart.
Oh, hello. That feels much nicer to
It
use.
does. That looked like it was ripping up the fibres
We'll
of
have
the
a go.
seat.
See what you think of that. It does sort of... Actually, that's probably got the hardest bit. This is...
That feels like it's ripping the fibres of the seat
Yeah.
out.
It's still doing the business.
It is. It's doing what it said,
It's doing the biz.
but it doesn't feel
But so
as
far,
good.
we don't like it.
No, it doesn't feel as nice.
Now, I'll be brutally honest. I have very little confidence in this.
I have no confidence in that.
You know, I was relieved of the cash,
Yeah.
but I haven't got. I didn't have a lot of confidence in that either.
No.
In
Very
fact,
true.
I had no confidence in that, and I'm not convinced I know how that's working so well.
I haven't a clue, but it's brilliant.
Yeah. Ready? Yep. Not bad. Not bad. Let's have a go at this bit. I don't know what the difference is. speed of us finishing the job, but I think so far, I do think that's the best one.
I think that attachment, hang on, that one right there, that does the absolute business.
So we're going to finish it up. This will be on high speed and we'll show you at the end.
Right then, that has been about 20 minutes, so not too long, a little bit of elbow grease, and we can't quite believe how well that's come up. We've tried this before without any of this stuff. We've tried with that tornador, as you saw in the video, but we've never managed to get rid of the hairs, especially on this part right here, where he clearly leans
He's got
against.
really little...
The fur goes
We
in.
should have had the little dirty devil with us.
Yeah, we should have, and then we could have blamed him.
Yeah.
But I can't believe it. That was the worst bit, and we both agree that is, for the money, I would say that's the best buy.
I think you need them both.
Really, you need them both. But if you're on a budget, that will do the job. It'll just take probably another 20 minutes or an hour.
That... Surprised.
Surprised as well.
Really good. Really good.
I got rid of that bit in a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it.
Really good. I mean, we're down to pick out individual hairs now because we're now being super fussy.
Yeah. But
And you're literally down to... There is probably about 15 hairs in here, which is going to have my... I'm going to be at it all day.
Yeah, so we're going to recover it up properly this time.
Yes.
We're going to put a nice back piece on and get it sorted out. But that kit, that nozzle and the flat bit, they're good. They're very
Highly
good.
recommended.
Yeah.
I'm offended that I ever let it get like this.
Yes.
And I don't quite know how that happened, but once we saw the fur in, I genuinely thought we'd never clean that, so it wasn't even worth me trying.
No, well, I didn't think you could get it back to
I thought
how
it would just sell the car and get another one.
Yes, yeah, quite right. But it's come up almost as new. We're super chuffed. So
we've given it a tornador as well, which you may or may not have seen. I can't remember because the battery went flat.
It smells
so
good.
now it never smells. It doesn't smell, to be fair.
No, but it smells like fruit now, so it's lovely.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. So I'm going to end the video here because Dan's going to be at this all day now. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Alex, for the recommendation.
Highly recommended. Yeah, Alex, thank you very much.
Yes, we'll catch you next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
One day I'll change all of my wicked